Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mania Mindset, where we don't just talk about money, we master the mindset behind it. Today's topic is something every one of us can relate to: money in life stages. No matter your age, you're in a financial stage right now, and understanding where you are is the first step toward building real wealth. So let's find out, where are you in your money journey? Stage 1, the learner, teens to early 20s. If you're in your teens or early 20s, this is your learning stage. It is not about making big money yet, it is about learning how money actually works. This is your time to understand the basics. What does saving really mean? How does spending shape your goals? And what's the difference between assets and liabilities? Most people waste these years chasing trends, buying things to impress others. But the smart ones? They chase knowledge. Read money books, watch finance channels, learn about budgeting and investing. Because once you understand how money flows, you'll never fear being broke again. Your goal here: build financial awareness and form smart habits early. Stage 2, the builder, 20s to 30s. Now you're earning, working, maybe even starting a business. Welcome to the builder stage, where ambition meets responsibility. You'll feel the pressure to spend a new car, a better phone, your own apartment. That's normal. But here's the trap: lifestyle inflation. When your income grows, your expenses shouldn't grow with it. Follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Automate your savings. Say no to short-term pleasures so you can say yes to long-term freedom. Your goal: build your emergency fund, start investing, and stay out of bad debt. Stage 3, the stabilizer, 30s to 40s. This is where most people either build lasting wealth or start feeling stuck. You might have a family, a home loan, kids, or career pressure. Money responsibilities grow, but so can your stability, if you plan right. Strengthen your investments. Diversify real estate, index funds, side businesses. Protect your income with life and health insurance. And focus on cash flow assets, things that earn for you, even while you sleep. Don't compare your journey with others. This is your foundation decade. Your goal: build stability, reduce liabilities, and grow assets. Stage 4, the expander, 40s to 50s. This is the expander stage, the time to make your money work for you. Your career is stable, your kids are growing, and you finally have the power of experience. But be careful, this is when many people become complacent. The world changes fast. Markets shift. Technology evolves. Don't stop learning. Start exploring passive income, rental property, dividend stocks, digital products, or small businesses. Keep upgrading your skills. You can still double your income in this decade if you evolve. Your goal: expand your income sources and prepare for financial freedom. Stage 5, the freedom stage, 50s and beyond. You've worked for decades. Now it's time for your money to work for you. This stage isn't about quitting work, it's about working by choice, not necessity. Focus on preserving wealth. Plan your estate. Support the causes and people you care about. You're not chasing wealth anymore, you're managing it, protecting it, and passing it on. Your goal: live comfortably, give meaningfully, and leave a legacy. So, where are you now? Take a moment to reflect. Are you still learning, building, stabilizing, expanding, or living in freedom? There's no shame in your stage. The only mistake is not knowing where you are. Because once you do, you can take your next step with purpose. Call to action now. I want to hear from you. What stage of money are you in? And what's your biggest goal right now? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Mania Mindset, and share this video with someone who's figuring out their money journey. Because remember, money isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. This is Money Mania Mindset, helping you master your money and your mind. See you in the next one.